We have a radical equation 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1 equals under root 27 raised to the power x plus 1. Then what will be the value of x? Let's start the solution. Writing left hand side as it is, and on right hand side we can write 3 cube instead of 27, because if we multiply 3 times we will get 27 raised to the power x plus 1. Now further simplifying this expression, that is, we have replaced 27 by 3 cube. 3 multiplies 3, 9 multiply 3 will become 27. So further simplifying this, we can write it is 3 raised to the power 2x negative 1 equals 3 cube raised to the power x plus 1. And for radical symbol we can write it equals to 1 upon 2. That is, we have replaced the radical symbol by its value, that is, radical symbol equals 1 upon 2. Now further simplifying this, here we will use power laws of exponent, that is, power raised to the power will multiplied with each other. So 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equals, here all the 3 powers will multiplied, that is 3 multiplies x plus 1 multiplies 1 will be equals 3 multiplies x plus 1 divides by 2. That is, we have used law of exponent. If we have a raised to the power m raised to the power n, then m multiplies by n. That is, a raised to the power m multiplies n. So we have used this law in this relationship. Now further we will apply another law, that if we have same bases and are compared on both sides, then their power will be equals. That is, if we have a raised to the power m equals a raised to the power n, then m will be equals n. So in this case we can write for m we have 2x negative 1 equals, for n we have 3 times x plus 1 divides by 2. Now turn we have to find the value of x. So for doing that, on left hand side we can write 1 in the denominator. Now simplifying this relationship, we will cross multiply this. That is, by cross multiplication we will simplify these terms and we will get our required value for x. That is, multiplying 2x negative 1 multiplies 2 equals 3 times x plus 1 multiplies 1 will become 3 times x plus 1. Now solving the brackets, 2 multiply 2x will become 4x, negative 2 1 is 2 equals 3 times x 3x plus 3 1 is 3. Now shifting like terms to one side, that is 3x to left side and negative to right hand side, and simplifying it, that is, we can write it as 4x negative 3x equals 3 plus 2. Simplifying 4x negative 3x will become x equals 3 plus 2 is 5. So x equals 5 is our required answer for the given question, which involves exponents and radical symbol. We have simplified it for x. Let's start the verification. From question we have 3 raised to the power 2x negative 1 equals under the root 27 raised to the power x plus 1. We will replace x by its value which we have found earlier, that is x equals 5. So putting x equals 5 on left hand side as well as on right hand side. Then we are going to simplify left and right side and check whether it verifies the result or not. So 5 2 is 10, -1 equals, on right hand side we can write it is 3 cube raised to the power 5 plus 1 will become 6 whole power. For radical symbol we will write it equals 1 upon 2. Now further simplifying this, on left hand side 3 raised to the power 10 -1 will become 9. On right hand side power will multiplies with all the powers. 6 3 is 18, 1 is 18 upon 2. Now 2 1 is 2 and 2 9 is 18. So 3 power 9 equals 3 power 9. So we have verified the result, that is left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So our value for x equals 5 is verified for the given question. Let's have a quick review of this question. We are given a exponential and radical equation. We have to find the value of x. We have used the power laws of exponents, computed the power, then cross multiplied both sides, shifted like terms to the one side, simplified for x, and we got x equals 5. Then we have verified the result. For verification we put x equals 5 in the original question and verified the result. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel.